and get some sunset and Dauphin Island in the picture, in the video. This is officially known as the golden hour, and that's the hour before sunset. Real pretty colors and golden tone to the sun and the light. Climbing out at 80. I don't have my hands on the controls. It's trimmed out. Climbing on its own. Very stable. Some of you may want to know what happens if the engine stops. Well, if the engine stops, I'm going to push the nose over to maintain airspeed and start looking for a place to land. That simple. All right, I just passed through 2,500.
Thanks for final length to the south, Russell.
And I'm going to probably level off around 3,000. I think that's a good altitude to try and catch some of the sun. But there are a few clouds over Dauphin Island might make for a more interesting sunset.
Dauphin Island traffic. Skyhawk 2530 Yankee. I am 2 to the northeast and over 54 gains. And head west, catch a little sunset, then head north, Dauphin Island. Reaching trace and the wind uniform is left downwind for runway 13.
It is so calm, it just feels like I'm floating. This time of year, the sun is setting a little further south than during the summer. So I'm going to alter my angle where I can catch the sun and most of the island. Just turning circles in the sky, waiting for the sun to be at a good angle, so it's not too bright. Oh, it's starting to look like something. We'll circle back around to the north. And then come back around for another try at it. Just beautiful. That little bump, I don't know if you saw it, was me coming back around over my own wake. Look at that. Beautiful.
Bobby chain traffic, Skyline 4 to make Golf Papa is 10 miles to the northeast. We'll be entering a left downwind for 13. Bobby chain.
The sun will start going down fast now. I'll circle back around and see if I can get an angle where most of the island is in the shot.
Bobby chain traffic, course to make Golf Papa is about 5 miles to the northeast, just north of the Stewart Lagoons. Bobby chain traffic, 2,200.
Oh, wow.
28 Bravo is just north of the Stewart Lagoons, 2,100. About to go over the Gandy, David.
Traffic, Cessna 5977 Juliet, 5 miles west of the airport at 2200, inbound for landing.
That's your first chance, Cessna 960 on left downwind for runway 13. Virginia.
traffic, 77 Juliet inbound for landing, 4 miles west at 2200. We'll be entering a left downwind.
The sun set at 5:15,
18, big U traffic.
which was 2 minutes before the weather service said it would set, so that was being at 3,200 feet made 2 minutes of difference.
Dauphin Island traffic, Skyhawk 2530 Yankee. I am just over the airport. Going to be turning north and departing the area. Last call, Dauphin Island.
Here we go, we're going home.
Country traffic RP 1231 Real Bravo is entering an extended
Cedar Creek traffic, November 376 Guns here. I'll be a right downwind for runway 18 for a flyby, Cedar Creek.
Cedar Creek traffic, 4 Juliet Alpha is short final for 18 Cedar Creek.
Cinema traffic, Skyhawk 2530 Yankee. I am entering a left downwind for 24, and it's going to be full stop, St. Elmo.
Alright, I am abreast of my going to 10 degrees of flaps.
Cinema traffic, Skyhawk 2530 Yankee. Left base for 24. Will be full stop, St. Elmo.
With 10 degrees of flaps. I'm about 700 feet.
Cedar Creek traffic, experimental 3760 Coast Air, entering right downwind for runway 18, Cedar Creek.
San Elmo traffic, Skyhawk 2530 Yankee on a left final for runway 24, going to be full stop, San Elmo.
All right, 30 degrees of flaps.
Cedar Creek traffic, experimental 376 Gulf Sierra, right base runway 18, Cedar Creek. Cedar Creek traffic, experimental 376 Gulf Sierra, short final runway 18, Cedar Creek.
San Elmo traffic, Skyhawk 2530 Yankee, clear to be active. San Elmo.